Hey Jeremy, so you're back
I'm back.
in Japan?
Nice to meet you again.
Yes, nice to meet you. And you brought your
My girlfriend.
girlfriend with you.
I'm Nikki.
Nice
We've
to
been
meet
here for 4 weeks now total, and we leave tomorrow. And we've just been going around Japan, watching the nature, eating cities.
Are you guys excited for sushi today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
We're
Very.
looking forward to it.
Nice.
Okay, so let's get going.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nice.
Close your hands.
It's very hot.
Jeremy, 久しぶり。
久しぶり。
乾杯。
乾杯。
It's pretty rare. They have draft Ebisu beer.
I wanted to go to the恵比寿museum, but it's closed.
Oh, it was closed?
Yeah, I think since last year.
Really?
Yeah. I hoped it would open this year, but it's still under construction or something.
So this is shijimi soup, which is clams. But I don't think there's any clams in it.
It's fine. Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah. いただきます。
いただきます。
海外
熱い。
危ないなないジュース
中井さんチョイス。
いいんですよ。すいません。まずね、食べればいいけど、塩味。
ウニ。
Yeah. Yeah, we had it. I had it at the sake bar. As a uni is
Oh, the sea eagle.
sea urchin.
Oh, sea urchin. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
いくら
Salmon.
Oh, yeah. It's just like the small. Yesterday we did like the soba noodle challenge.
So, oh, you mean that
With all
the
the
same one?
Yeah.
Oh, you went.
Yeah.
How was it?
I didn't make it.
I
I didn't make it. I'm very disappointed in myself.
How many did you eat?
83.
83?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot though.
Yeah. She had 81.
81.
Wow.
Yeah. But the day record was 253, I
No, I
think.
think 328. It was for men, and for women it was 200.
That's true.
Yeah.
Exactly. But that's so many.
40 minutes.
You have to eat really fast,
Yeah.
right?
40 minutes?
Yeah.
300 something, so it's...
Yeah.
I think it was 30 grams
like
per
One
cup.
cup is
30 grams per cup.
one bite, basically.
So crap. But it's like packed with meat and...
こちらのカニ酢でお召し
Is
上
it
がり
like small parts? Which part of it?
It's half the shell.
It's so huge.
Yeah. And this is called kanizu. And this is a bit vinegary.
Okay. Gonna try to tackle this huge piece. I don't know where to start actually.
Yeah. Oh, that's a huge piece.
Is that good?
Pretty good.
Want to see it?
Let's try the stuffing.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
It's really rich.
Yeah. Very rich in flavor.
Yeah.
I like the sauce.
Oh, the sauce?
Yeah.
It's sweeter than I thought it would be. Actually, this is yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Does the meat taste different than the outside?
Yeah. Well, slightly different. Not like a whole
Yeah.
different.
No. I saw.
3 years in a row.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Very nice. I like the inside meat.
You like the inside meat?
It's very tender. Is it like shredded already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how was the whole trip?
Great.
Mm.
Right?
Very good. Very tiring.
Mm.
Been doing things every day. Come home and just fall asleep immediately.
The plan is pretty full, actually.
Yeah.
Did you plan it for a while?
Yeah.
For
I
about
think 5 months
yeah.
before
5
we went.
months?
Yeah.
What was the
All the
big one?
places. Yeah. I've never had this before.
Octopus.
I've had it in like takoyaki,
Yeah.
not like the.
Not like this
What's
one.
it called again?
Okay.
Like in Spain, the calamares.
Ah. It's squid.
Oh, it's not the same.
Maybe it's hot.
Maybe while waiting for a burning mouth.
Jeremy, it's your second time, right?
Yep.
Oh, it's your
Yeah.
first time.
It's my first time. Yeah.
How do you like Japan? Like, what are some of the things that you felt different?
Well, firstly, the food is like on a whole another level compared to in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when searching for restaurants or like good places to eat, we went on just Google Maps and then we looked at the rating, and if it has like 3 stars here, then it's already 4 to 5 stars compared to the Netherlands. Like
Oh, is it?
even the medium food is really good actually.
Yeah. I think of, yeah. I would
Right.
describe like the base level
Yeah.
is like very high compared to other countries, or at least Netherlands. Which means that no matter where, I think, except for the ryokan, where the food was experimental and sort of
Oh yeah.
like traditional,
Yeah.
which was difficult for my taste. Everything else was I haven't eaten bad once.
Mm.
Every time was
It was
good. Yeah,
Mm.
every time. But just before we left to Japan, we went to a small bistro
Yeah.
in the Netherlands, and we ordered something, and we were both very unsatisfied.
It was horrible.
It was horrible.
Yeah, it was pretty
So,
bad. And
it's
even
just-
more expensive. So
Yeah.
Oh, it's more expensive.
Yeah. How was the octopus?
really good.
Yeah?
It tastes like exactly how you think it would taste.
Mm-hmm.
Like a bit squishy, a bit rubbery, but in a good way. Right?
It's also nice with
Chili
pepper
powder?
spice. Yeah.
No, try that.
It's a bit spicy, but
You know, one thing I noticed, like when we did the interviews and like on food reaction, I see so many foreigners not liking like with a lot of texture.
Yeah.
yeah.
True.
I wonder why.
I guess just compared to the food back in the Netherlands, it's very basic. A lot of potato, again, and bread, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
A lot
not
of
sure.
stuff- A lot of stuff are like less texture.
まだ松笠駅です。鱗も召し上がれます。
You're done with stuff?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so. I tried my best.
Yeah. That's fine. So this is savory.
Okay.
But with the scale and the skin, but you can eat it. It's like all crispy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is like the those sticks for garnish as well, or is it?
Yeah. I think that's burdock.
Ah.
And this is called sudachi.
So much.
It's a Japanese citrus. It's kind of like lemon, lime.
Too hot. I'm sorry.
Too hot?
Yeah, too hot for me. What has been like your favorite place you went to?
Favorite place?
Yeah, with those series. Or like something that you will always remember.
I think Kyoto was pretty nice.
Mm.
I went to Arashiyama.
Mm.
Did you guys go to Kyoto?
Yeah.
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 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah.
So I guess you guys went to the bamboo.
We didn't actually.
We didn't. No, I went last year. So we planned like stuff that I didn't do
Yeah.
Yeah.
a lot. So we went to Kinkakuji.
Akita.
Yeah. I really liked that one. We didn't make it last year, so we did it this year. And we went to Fushimi Naritaisha
Oh, sure.
again, but this time we went farther. Not all the way up,
Yeah.
but a lot more farther.
That's the one that I couldn't go to.
Mm.
Oh.
Fushimi, but I went to the
Yeah.
the one with
The
bamboo.
bamboo.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was really nice.
Yeah,
it's
nice.
It's huge places.
Yeah. It goes all the way up. Like,
And yeah, Shiminari.
yeah, it was nice. Last year when I went with the other guy, we didn't go all the way. Like we did like the small circle. It's very crowded. With a lot of people making pictures and a lot of buildings. If you go a little bit further, it's just more nature,
Yeah.
which is really nice. Like more forest instead of buildings.
Yeah.
It was worth it. Yeah. We didn't have much time, but I would really like to go all the way to the top one time, all the way up. Yeah.
Although it is a big hike.
It is a big hike. I think we were averaging like 12,000 steps per day, every day, which should be like average for a person, but
This is really tasty, by the way. The crispy skin is like very delicate.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. It's really good.
Is it a bit sweet?
Hmm?
Is it a bit sweet?
Not really.
not for me. No. It's like it's almost like it's like deep fried, but it is deep fried, but like it's almost like tempura, but with no batter. The skin
okay.
itself is very
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good description.
yeah. Yes, it's more healthy.
Yeah.
Probably.
No batter.
When we did the chain reaction, did we tell you he drinks a lot?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I didn't know yet.
Or did no? Because he just told me that he haven't had any alcohol yet today. This one's his first.
Yeah, there's been a couple of times when we were like getting like lunch / late breakfast at like 1 or 12, and you see some businessmen at a having lunch or something and
Yeah.
just drinking. I would never do that.
But I remember you were talking about drinking like drinking parties or something like that, or like with your friends. When you
Yeah. There's a big drinking culture in like
Yeah,
Netherlands,
drinking
Yeah.
Europe,
Yeah.
It's only
but it's
at
mostly
night.
like at night
Yeah.
or on vacation, like during the day, but not like every day.
I think you would get fired actually if you drink during work.
But you know, if you're like him, you can drink and work
Yeah.
at the same time.
It's the same when I go bowling. If I go bowling and I take two beers, then I'm just a little bit better. Just a little bit better.
Facts.
And then after a few beers it goes down the road.
I've actually I have some good things to tell you and some bad things. I brought souvenirs
Yeah.
Oh, you
to give to you both,
Oh yeah.
but I forgot them at the
At the hotel.
at the hotel.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. So stupid because we packed them and we brought them with us like the whole month.
Where are you guys staying?
Shibuya.
What, Shibuya?
Yeah.
Do you
we're
live
we're actually
nearby?
going back. He's in Shibuya.
Okay.
Going back to Shibuya.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see an opportunity here.
Perfect.
Oh, that's so great.
I packed them and I took them all the way the whole vacation to give him. I put them in the bag and I forgot the bag.
Happens.
Yeah.
But maybe we can then still give it to you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I was in the bus and
Yeah.
I turned to Nikki and I was like, No.
I didn't know.
No. It's Dutch snacks.
Yeah.
Snacks?
Famous Dutch snacks.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
中トロですね、ヒラメです、赤身、ウニ、アナゴです。お味すべてついてます。このままお召し上がりください。
So this is conger eel,
Mm-hmm.
and this is red tuna, but the fatty part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this is flounder,
Mm-hmm.
and this is red tuna,
Mm.
and that's sea urchin.
Yeah.
Cool.
And everything has soy sauce in it already,
Yeah.
so you don't have to put it on, just
Okay.
on its own.
It
It's
looks
really good.
beautiful. I'm gonna
Yeah,
take
yeah, I gotta
pictures.
take pictures of this thing.
We actually only ate sushi 2 times in Japan
Sometimes, yeah.
in the last 30 days. It
I'm
was
ashamed to say this actually.
What kind of sushi was it?
2 times at a kaiten sushi.
Oh, kaiten sushi. I mean, Japanese kaiten sushi is pretty good.
It was
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. But it's very intimidating to go to a shop like this as a foreigner,
Yeah.
like on your own. I'm not sure what to order, and yeah. So
And plus, most of the places I think they don't have English menus,
No.
yeah.
so
Yeah,
you
exactly.
probably have to use like a Google,
Mm.
use a camera.
Yeah. The classic.
Yeah.
And the ginger,
Ginger,
you
you
could just
or just so ginger is usually for when we eat something.
Cleansing your
Yeah,
palate.
palate cleanser
so in between.
in between,
Okay.
or yeah, it's your preference. You don't have to.
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
So,
Let's try this one
Yeah.
first.
I tried this one.
中トロ。
Chutoro.
No.
Or you can eat it with your hands if you like.
It's really good.
It's really good.
I've had this one. This one specific is like there's butter in it, but there's no. It's like very like fatty. Yeah, it makes sense.
Melts in your mouth.
Yeah. It does melt in your mouth actually. It's so good.
If this melts in your mouth,
Mhm.
then this is gonna be like gone.
I'm gonna try this.
This is more fatty. Yeah, be careful with this one. This one's really oily. That's so soft. Oily.
今回
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Is it good?
that's good.
she can really like keep her emotions in.
Yeah.
So if something's good, she's like
She's happy.
you see it. Yeah.
That's good. Perfect for the video.
Oh, it's really good. Everybody always says at home, like, once you have eaten sushi in Japan, you don't want to eat it here again. And it's true, actually.
Oh, really soft.
Really soft. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so soft.
What was this again? This was the...
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Yeah.
It's the one.
Say.
Yeah.
Like it. It's very like a sea taste.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like a seaweed.
That's yeah.
Sea
It's
taste.
a bit neutral, actually.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah. Last time I had it at like a sake bar. It's like the pre-meal. It was very strong. Yeah, just sea taste,
Yeah.
which was nice.
Should be.
This one's neutral.
It's almost like creamy.
Mm. I can describe it. It's like
It's like unique. It's something that you don't really taste usually.
yeah, it's like a very
It's very soft or gentle almost.
Creamy.
yeah. Yeah, I can describe it like smooth. smooth, creamy.
It's like sea butter.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Flounder.
Flounder.
This one's kind of sweet. There's also like wasabi in it, right?
Yeah, you can see it through. I really like the difference between like this and something in the Netherlands or like a lot cheaper. Everything is way softer and like a lot, like for example the tuna we had at some other sushi place was very, if you bite into it, it was like stringy, like you feel like like the muscle or something. It just like falls apart in your mouth.
I like this one as well.
We like when we're like sitting next to each other and like we order the same thing, we start eating and then just hear some noises just at the table.
I will stay quiet from now on.
No. Adds to the atmosphere.
Which one's your favorite?
I guess the fatty tuna.
Yeah.
It just
I agree on that.
it just falls apart in your mouth.
Which one do you like?
This one and
This one?
this
Oh, this
one
one?
as well.
Yeah, I can tell.
Anago.
I can tell by your expression. Yeah. Thank you. We just ordered golden sea bream.
Sorry?
Golden sea bream.
Okay.
And we ordered red tuna again, the fatty one.
Nice.
And then we also ordered the conger eel again.
Nice.
Pike mackerel.
We do know mackerel.
Mackerel.
I
Sounds
think it's
familiar.
pike mackerel.
Oh, like the
Really-
almost like arrow
Yeah.
than fish. Oh.
アナゴですね。金目、中トロ、サンマです。お味見てます。
So you probably already know these
Yeah.
two.
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is golden sea bream and pike mackerel.
It looks amazing.
Today's visual.
Yeah, that looks really Go ahead.
Also with hands still?
Yeah, you can eat it with hands. Well, sushi is, you can eat it with hands or chopsticks, whichever you like.
Summer.
Pike mackerel. Yeah.
What was the English name again?
Pike mackerel.
Yeah, mackerel. Yeah.
Is it similar to like our mackerel?
Yeah, I was thinking.
I guess because it's in season, it's got a lot of fat. It's juicy.
It also looks just beautiful.
Yeah.
Silver.
It's like a very thin skin.
Yeah. This is actually one of my favorites.
This was the golden.
With the wasabi.
Sea bream. Golden sea bream.
This mackerel one is so, what you said, like fat.
Nice.
It's so different than conveyor belt.
Yeah. Yeah. Also the ratio of like fish and rice is very good. I like conveyor belts is like sometimes like a very small thin piece of fish or like a small dot of rice.
Yeah.
It's like it's perfect. It's nice. Very good last meal to have. Last dinner. Nice.
And I also like the fact that they already put like the soy sauce.
Yeah, they put it on.
And also the wasabi.
Yeah.
Like I think in every other country it's like green horseradish.
Oh yeah.
It's a very like mustard like spice. But this is very subtle, very nice taste.
It's real wasabi. Yeah, I mean, this is your last meal, last dinner.
Yeah.
So we can't let you guys down. So.
It's so good, right?
If you want to eat, go ahead.
Sorry, do you want it?
No.
Fair and square.
Yep. It's really good. Yeah. Also the eel, it just falls apart immediately. Yeah.
Usually I don't drink, but when the food's good, I have to drink.
Yeah.
You know, it goes balance.
Yeah.
わかりやすいよ。飲んでたら美味しい。
Well, he's my master, drinking master. He's like the Jedi master. I'm the young Padawan.
Sake senpai.
マスター用だってる。
島エビとほぼとといくらです。
This one looks so good.
This is, remember we had
Yeah.
fatty tuna?
It's very salty.
This is more fatty.
More fatty. Wow. And this is more of the
This is the
whole.
oval,
Yeah.
the one I was talking about. It's called red Grenard sea robin. Yeah, that's shrimp. Ikura.
It's almost creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah. Is it raw shrimp? Or
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's raw shrimp.
it's like creamy almost.
As if there's cream cheese inside of it.
Like yeah. I don't want to use the word, but it's like pasty. Almost.
Pasty?
Yeah, it's like a bad word to describe it, but I don't know.
Oh, it's really good.
nice to like have like a fatty, very rich one, and then one like more mild. We taste like more rice and stuff. Did you try that?
Mm-hmm. I like the texture of it. And also like the eggs are way bigger than that we're used to, so you can really have the bite of the egg instead of just really tiny ones. The one we've been waiting for. It's falling apart already.
It's so weird because it's like it's just a piece of fish, but there's like so many different like tastes and textures like all in one. Nice.
So how was overall meal today? We started off with crab. How was crab?
Very good appetizer.
But nowhere as delicious as the rest that came. Like it built it up.
Slowly,
in
gradually.
tastiness. Yeah.
Yeah. I like the inside better than the outside. The inside was very soft, creamy, and like you said, like it had like the crab innards, which I didn't like before, but now I like
But now
it.
we
So
did, yeah.
it says a lot. Very good appetizer. And
We
then
had octopus.
Ooh, I
Yeah.
really like that one.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Especially the texture.
I liked it
You were okay
actually.
with it?
Yeah.
yeah, it was a little bit like rubbery,
Almost
squishy.
rubbery. Yeah.
But you know, when you have like a piece of like fat that you just can't chew, it was like that, but you could chew it. Like it did break.
Yeah.
Especially with like the pepper salt mixture and like the orange.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Yeah. And something I never had before.
Yeah, it was better than I expected actually, because I did expect the rubbery texture, but I didn't expect the outspoken taste of it. So I like that.
And sushi. So we had what did we have? We had a lot.
We had a lot.
We had conger eel.
Yeah.
We had ikura, chutoro, and then we had red tuna, otoro, and then shrimp.
Oh, the shrimp was also really good.
It's really good.
Really
Yeah.
shrimp. Pike mackerel.
I really like that one as well.
Season.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was amazed about the fattiness of it, because we have like mackerel in the Netherlands and it's just really dry.
Yeah.
Almost. Right?
We have like I think mostly smoked.
Yeah.
Smoked
Yeah.
mackerel.
Okay.
Oishikatta. Wakatta. You know the sentence?
No, I
At the
forgot.
end,
Tell me.
I tried to give her like a few words every time, but she keeps forgetting. It's very difficult. Gochiso-sama deshita.
Slowly?
Gochiso-sama deshita.
Sama
deshita.
deshita.
ごちそうさまでし
ごちそうさまでした。
お土産いただきました。Alright. Well, thank you very much. Yes, thank you. ありがとうございます。Sorry, give me a hug.
Yeah, thanks man.
Thank you.
Let me know when the video's up.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Alright. Thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a safe trip back.